So Zund, we are a Swiss company based out of northeastern part of Switzerland. Alstaten is the name of the place. The company itself was established way back in 1984. We are a little over 40 years now in existence, through and through into manufacturing of digital cutting solutions for various industry segments. Composite is one of them. Apart from the facility what we have in Switzerland, we also have subsidiaries globally. These subsidiaries actually are, give proximity to us for the markets where we serve. One of such company is Zund India, and we are located here in Bangalore. We have a full-fledged customer experience center here with a couple of machines for our customers to come and experience as to how we can offer them solution and how we can add value to their business. In Switzerland, we are about 260 odd employees, but globally, if you see, we are little over 520 employees, producing about 1,000 machine and odd. A little insight into our operations globally. So we are 14 companies outside of Switzerland with additional 60 sales partners. We all have about a little over 300 trained and certified technicians to handle our after-sales processes. So in addition to the cutting solution, the digital cutting machine itself, we also offer relevant software services, which goes hand in hand with our hardware services. We also have our in-house spare parts and consumable, support partners in Switzerland. And in addition to these, we also offer you pre-sales and post-sales services. Over 15,000 customers globally, spread across 100 countries and over 25,000 installations in various different industry segments. Sustainability is the core of Zund. It even translates into our machinery. We talk about the machine's life of about, let's say, 15 to 20 years at least. So coming back to the composite market itself, what kind of a solution is that we offer to the composite market? Yeah, so composite market per se, if you see, is diverse in its existence. I would say it's not only focused to one particular segment. We have transportation. The use of composites is not limited to that. We have industrial, components being made. It's used in sports and leisure, defense and protection also, for making bulletproof jackets and things like that. Wind energy is a big segment again. Architecture is catching up, not so much so in India, but I heard that from the earlier presentations that it is slowly creeping in. Science and education, obviously, So what are the substrates that we actually can apply our solutions to? It's not only limited to the composite, I would say carbon or glass fiber fabrics, but also prepregs, unidirectional tapes, core materials which are used in aerospace and defense, even cured component of GFRP and CFRP, auxiliary materials for sure, thermoplastics, hard foams, and also sandwich materials. We also have various workflows for handling the substrates, right from carbon, glass, and aramid fabrics. We can cut and mark the prepregs as well, cutting and routing thermoplastics, cutting and routing core materials, routing of fiber reinforced plastics, and we can offer a fully automated cutting and sorting kitting solutions to the industry. Let me just quickly show you a small video so that you'll get more insights into this. So that's the screen on the machine itself. The cut components are sourced from your AutoCAD or CATIA in the form of vector files, could be DXF, could be PDF. We have an elaborate library, the material library itself. So in order to save material, we have a full-fledged nesting program, which we can offer along with the machine. A little bit of addition also is possible on the machine itself. Zund Cut Setter is actually the core software what we use in the machine. That's a tool. It's a drag knife which is being used to cut prepregs. So here in this video, you can actually see various different principles we use to cut different materials. So what you're seeing right now is a prepreg material. What you saw earlier was an inkjet printer. Now this is cutting. We also can offer felt pen to mark, something like this. This is also possible. This is a label applicator for kitting and sorting purpose. Comes in very handy. You can actually print your data into this and then apply on the prepregs so that it is very easy for the operator to actually sort it after the cutting is done. You can also print a barcode or a QR code for identification. So first what you saw was a prepreg. Now what you're seeing is a carbon dry fabric. Here we have used 3 layers of cutting. The principle is here a rotary knife, what we are seeing. That's a rotary knife again. This is glass fiber rather. Again, 3 layers we are able to cut. So we can cut maximum of 2500 GSM at one go. The entire substrates are held with the help of vacuum underneath the table. Aramid fabric. So all the dry fabrics are being cut with the help of rotary knives. Coming to the thermoplastics. Here what you're seeing is an ultrasonic tool. So this is able to cut precise shape. The same ultrasonic tool is being used to cut condensed layers of aramid fabric. It's about 30 layers here. This is a filler material generally used in aerospace and defense. So here we cannot use a rotary knife since it is thick. So we are using an oscillating tool here where the knives keep oscillating while cutting. This is a pneumatic oscillating tool to cut honeycomb materials. Another application. So this is a pneumatic oscillating tool which is cutting, and we are going to use also a router to give you some shape of this kind. So this is also possible with our machine. Raw cell being cut by a router. So this is a router which uses a drill bit. You can see no dust coming out because everything is sucked with the help of a vacuum. We can also cut cured component like this up to a thickness of, let's say, 8 millimeters. So all what you saw was on the same machine. The machine has not been changed. Just by changing the tools, we are able to offer you digital cutting solutions. Cutting and sorting and kitting as well. We can offer you the complete solution for your cutting needs. This is a very important feature of a machine. All the electronics and electrical components are coated with carbon protection, which is essential because we are talking about carbon here, which is a highly conductive material. All the substrates being cut on the same machine. We can also chamfer the honeycomb structure. Very safe machine. The moment you put your hand, the machine stops. And you'll have to release a light barrier error to resume from where you stopped. Very robust. All the parts are made available through web shop. Few of the certification, safety certifications, what we have from the market. We are also an ISO 9001, 14001 company. Care about environment. Few of our global customers. Oops. Okay. So a few of our customers in India. I'm sure you're familiar with most of the names already. Here you can see our global clientele. You can see the choice list of names here. Most of them are using multiple